Hello! From someone who used a plugin to hide their Facebook newsfeed, that is me, you could definitely expect that she's also using a Twitter tool to increase her productivity, because that's exactly what I do. Let me share this with you. At the beginning, I used to dislike Twitter because I hated the fact that to switch from one account to the other, I was first to log out and then log in again. But one day things changed and I started loving it, and that's the day I discovered TweetDeck. Twitter describes TweetDeck as the most powerful Twitter tool for real-time tracking, organizing, and engagement. And that's true. It allows you to organize and build custom timelines, keep track of lists, searches, activity, and more, all in the same interface. You can use it online, but you can also download the desktop version, which I recommend you to do. You can monitor multiple timelines in one easy interface, schedule tweets, receive alerts and notifications, filter searches, and also forget about the refresh button. TweetDeck timelines stream in real time, so tweets will appear as soon as they are posted. I invite you to visit tweetdeck.com and start using it now. It's super easy to use and you have no idea of how much time you'll save. It's so amazing.